Alright, we should be back. I also did some stuff on the side. Back up. So yeah, I'm trying to make assets right now. I'm not sure if this will look good though. Let's see. I'm not even sure what the correct approach for this is. Like, I'd be creating an auto tile. Let me think about it first. I don't even know what this looks like if we were to put it in game. So how about this? Let's try this out. Let's make a 128 by 128. Let's do this. Paste this. So this is what maybe our spikes could potentially look like. But okay, yeah, it's the same problem. It's too, I think it's too fuzzy. Whatever's happening in the center. I do think it looks better than what it was before, because now it has like a decent pattern to it. The pattern would be somewhat recognizable. See. I mean, yeah, that does look better. I started adding this outline, but I think the outline is a little too much. Let me try this. Going to merge this down really quick. And we can try this look. Where we... Oh no, I think this looks worse. But wait, let's see. Sleepy Mushroom. God's weakest game dev. What does that even mean? See, like this? Yeah, I don't... But, okay. You wouldn't get it? Yeah, I don't get it. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so the next thing is like, I mean, this looks like it has some potential. Something has to be put in between these textures though. I'm not entirely sure what. And this is a 32 by 32 image, so like if I put this in the game, well, yeah, we would have to make a tile map, and we would have to actually make it dynamic. Like, we would have to write something up for this, because it wouldn't be this perfect, or it wouldn't be like this just yet. We would have to make it work in a 8 by 8 grid. So, like, we would have to handle... Honestly, it wouldn't be too difficult if we keep it this simple. Which one did I grab? I think, yeah, I grabbed this one. It'd be cool to have some variations with this too. So wait, let me just write this down as... Because we can grab some more textures. If we can make this work, I'll definitely grab more textures and implement like this, or... Honestly, only the sharp ones look pretty good though. But maybe we can do this with like this little section right here. Working on a new area? No, it's the same area. I'm trying to make... So here, I mean, you might have seen it already in the game. These are the spikes that are currently in our game, and I think it looks decent, but I think the inside, there's... I kind of randomly just place pixels, and I think it looks like shit. So, I'm trying to, yeah, just make it look less fuzzy, like less like a sweater, and more like crystals. And we do have something here. I think this has potential, but making it seamless is going to be the problem. Yo, how's it going, Tomer? So yeah, this is the problem currently. And I do think this has, okay, I think this has a lot of potential. Let me try, let's do this. I'm gonna make another layer real quick. I'm gonna copy, oh wait, we merged this down. Okay. I'm gonna copy what we have here. Shit, oh, we copied the wrong layer. And I'm gonna make a darker version of this to be a part of the background. Can't hear anything? I'll be back. Alright, sounds good. Alright, so all of these will make just 1 pixel darker. A part of the blue color, so let me bring this out. You know, I don't get why moving this is such a problem. So, like, moving this closer to here is okay. Yeah, I don't get it. Maybe because it's not saved. I think that might be the problem. It's not its own file yet. Alright. I'll just bring this right here. Okay, so we're not using this color yet, right? Okay, cool. The next one is this white one. The white we'll use... Hopefully this color isn't used either. Let's see. It is. So let's just make these darker. So whatever this dark blue is, you know, I'll just go in order from darkest to lightest. We'll update them as we go. Honestly, this one I think will cover up, but the next one over will also cover up because it's not that much different. And this is going to be a background texture. So I'll do that. And then the next one is going to be... Alrighty. This is all temporary. And let's go for this. You know, low-key, this actually looks kind of cool. But yeah, I think it'll be... It needs to be darker than this. I'm trying to see, what colors do we have here? I mean, the colors on this one are much darker. We actually might... Yeah, we'll see, we'll see. We don't even know what we want yet. Okay. Looking pretty good so far, I think. So I'm going to grab this for just a second, and we're just going to spam this all over this texture here. Oh yeah, I already like it. I think what we need to do though, right now it's like, ooh, let's see. You know, I just realized I could do this where I make a pencil and I could do this. Where this will be our brush. So I think we can try converting this into a tile map, its own tile map. But yeah, this is only the first step. This would be the bottom layer. And then the next layer, yeah, looks decent. We can also like flip it and stuff. The next layer, we would grab this. Oh, this actually might be too bright. We'll see what it looks like, because I actually kind of like the way this looks now. And if we paste, where's the white one now? I thought I copied it. Let's try that again. Oh, I'm still on this layer, that's why. So I think what we would do is something like this. So this is, it would also be organized much better than this. Right now we're kind of winging the positioning. But yeah, I don't think the white part looks that good. In fact, I don't know what about it I like, but I actually prefer what this looks like more than anything. The only issue is that these spikes are already like 8 pixels, I think. Let me see. Yeah, this image is huge. So making this like, let me see something. What does this look like compared to our current one? It's a, oh shit, wrong one. Because we might need to make this darker. Yeah, maybe going one color darker might be a good idea. I'm not sure what's our darkest color here. Whoops. Boom, boom, boom. What is our darkest color here? Hello again. Yep. We use purple apparently. But I think that's... Do I actually use purple in this? Looks like it's, I think we can go about not using that color. But yeah, okay. This seems to be our darkest color. Technically, it's this purple. Blue auto tile sets. I do like... see. Oh yeah, I guess we do use purple. Maybe the purple could be the background. We're gonna be messing with this a lot. We might not even figure it out by the end of today. So let's just get to it. You know, is this a 32 by 32? No, 24. I was gonna say I can just maybe paste what we have here into this. But I think what we're gonna do is just make our own custom tile map here. Alright, I'm gonna make another layer real quick. And I'm just gonna go in order from darkest to lightest. Okay, so we'll try ignoring the purple for now and just using pure dark blue. Been doing a lot of art lately. Hopefully I'm getting better at it. Oh, but we do need like maybe 1 white pixel, so maybe it... Actually, I'm not sure. The white might be too much. We could maybe add like specks of white. We'll see. Let's see what this looks like. Again, it would look way more seamless than this. Sleep time, but I saw you're on. Hope it's going well. Catch you on the day stream, but it's been quite the time at work lately. All good. Thank you. Thank you for the lurk. I'll see you, Hellraiser. And yeah, I hope to make an update, a more official update pretty soon. I am releasing one this Friday, but... Or not this Friday, when is it? This Monday. But hopefully it goes well. Alright, so this actually looks kind of cool. I do like this darker color. The edges would have to have some sort of white on it, so I'm going to make another layer. I'm going to do the same exact thing on this one. I'm going to try adding some white. Or actually not white, just the lightest blue we have here. Or, you know what, actually white would be the best color to have. Okay. The minimum size usually is like, or the maximum size is 2 tiles, or 2 pixels of a spike. So we can do something like this. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna look good. Actually, I just realized we could also maybe try symmetry. Maybe just central symmetry. And this would be too large. We'd have to do something like... The hitboxes of this one would be much different from the ones that we typically use. I'm not even sure how we would do it. And I'm still not even sure how we would make this look good in... or how this would be feasible in an auto tile. I think it's possible, but it's gonna look weird. I wonder if this is good enough. Let me see. Let me see if this color looks weird in our game. I'll just compare it to what this is right here. Yeah, I mean, it looks like the same thing. The only thing that's different is, well, actually, there's some white, like, filler, or like these light blue filler ones, but it's barely there. Okay, you know what? Let's just try it out. Currently this is what? 32 by 32. Each section here is what? This could technically be a 16 by 16. Each of these could be a 16 by 16. Let me create a new 64 by 64 image. So yeah, I guess if you don't save it, it doesn't. Let me do this. Do we have any Memori GIMP files already? Memori notes. We don't. I'm gonna do it right now. Or maybe we do. Let me see. M. Yeah, we do. We'll call this star frozen spike. Okay. So now we can move it? No, we have to, I guess, export it before we can move it. That's silly. Here, let me just copy this over. Alrighty. (16 by 16). is very weird. Well, these are only corner pieces at the moment. If we split it into 8x8s, we could actually cut out this little section, and that would be the top one. But we do have to split these into 8x8s eventually. Let me see if that's even possible. Configure grid, 8x8, okay. So our center ones would be all of these, which I guess makes sense, but there's so many edge cases. Wait a second. Wait, is this even this is not centered. Okay, wait. Yeah, how's it going, Mr. Glick? Good morning. All right, let me see. All right, the center we have. This is good. This might be an entirely custom, an entirely custom-made tile map. Every time, I'm trying to think, like, how would we would have to convert this into a grid. Okay, what I'm gonna do is try to make this as seamless as possible within a grid. And right now we only have two top textures, basically these right here, which is gonna be the inside texture, and then we have these, which is gonna be the outside texture. But these look really good when they're like kind of connect like this, where they like do some shenanigans like this. Don't know how I'm gonna do. I don't know how we're gonna achieve that without making more tiles. Oh, I don't even know. But it looks. I think it looks really good like this. All right. Let's first figure out the this structure in an 8x8. So let's say we want to do this. We have one large image, one like section like that, and I'm trying to think, maybe we should put this in another file. Here, let's do this. This file is a little way too small. Let's do 128, 128. Alright, something like that. This would be actually a corner piece. Same with this one. Oh, wait, what the hell? Why didn't they delete? Okay. So here's the top of our texture. And then we have this filler. And then the same thing over here with the sides. I mean, maybe it's that easy. The sprites here are a little larger than what we're used to. We would have to make smaller versions. Smaller spikes, I think. Basically, maybe incorporate this texture into the bottom one. That way this could be like shorter, but we'll see. Still, I don't know what would it look like if we spammed the inside like this. And there's some other things that we need to consider. So if we wanted to make this look really good, yeah, we would have to make some sort of like our own auto tiling rules. This doesn't look too bad. I think something is missing here, like this little area right there. Maybe we can incorporate some of these textures, or maybe we can just, let me add another layer. Copy this. Do 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 do. I mean, now it just doesn't look like there's a whole lot of, like, now it just looks like it's repeating itself a little too much. Maybe we can try flipping it, and that way it can have at least some variety. Let's see how that looks. Yeah. And let me also try erasing some of it. No. Another thing that we can try doing is I kind of like I think the main thing that's really nice about this this new one is the center textures. They look really good. So maybe we can somehow incorporate that into what we have going on here. We can grab what we have for the corner pieces for all of these, because I don't think those look too bad. And then, yeah, we still use this as our filler. So I could actually just try that out right now. We could just copy this. I should save this as a backup. We'll call this sets backup 3, I guess. Replace. And what is our current? So currently, image configure 8x8. Grid. So currently we only have one 8x8 to use for each like combination. What we're gonna do instead is we're probably gonna I don't know if we need to create like ideally we would probably want to keep this same structure because that's what we've been sticking to, and it's better, like, I don't know, for like the sake of like for future purposes we would want to keep things consistent here. So what I would do is maybe what do we have? Is this 8x8? Yeah, so we would make a 16x16 grid and then put this in the 16x16. And then maybe we can possibly use some of these for like certain edge cases. So I'll do that. I'll be right back. I have to use the bathroom, but yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, it's a great idea. Be right back. shit. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. What is that? Why is that corner piece? I guess... I'll look into that. Oh, yeah, our default texture is probably... No, that's weird. Let me see. What's that about? Maybe I don't have corner pieces handled here. Let me see. Yeah, I guess we just don't have corner pieces. Let me see what's behind it. Or is this... Wait, this is not even a corner piece. This is a... transition. Oh, okay. Our transition tile map is just... it's so filled in. It should just be a corner piece, like a very small corner piece. So like, I assume all corner pieces look like that? No. Weird. Strange. We'll look into it. Alright, so I'm gonna have to make this into a 16 by 16 texture. Let's do that right now. I tried doing this with the these spikes. This also shows some potential, but maybe we'd do this for another tile map. Corner, like the corner pieces look kind of ugly. But yeah, maybe it has some potential. Maybe like for thorns. I think it could look kind of cool for thorns. Yeah, let's go back here. So this is our 16 by 16. Plug that in. And our 8 by 8. All right. So the 8 by 8s are gonna be. Wait, I'm trying to think, because this is one 16 by 16. We don't actually have a. We don't have an 8 by 8 yet. Or sorry, we don't have a 16 by 16 texture yet. All we have are these like weird looking ones that I've been making, which I also don't think look that good just yet. I'll grab it for. I can't believe this is what we've been using. It looks so weird to me. I also think it looks fine in game, but yeah, here it looks very strange to me. But the thing is, this is a okay. So this is an 8 by 8. We have to make it a 16 by 16. So I'm gonna go into. Guess we can do it here. And I guess we could put it here. What the hell is this? Why is this, why is it, it's, why is it doing that? Oh, because we didn't actually put it in a 16 by 16. How do we want this to work? So I guess this would be the base. This entire thing would be the base. Give me 1 second. This needs to be slightly deleted. And then we do need to make sure that they're seamless with each other. So like maybe, let me see if I can get this to work. I think what I'd want to do is grab something from this layer, then go back to this one, paste it on top of this one. Before we paste it, let's create a new layer, paste it on top, and then erase it just a bit to keep the original shape. Cool. And I think we're gonna get rid of the we're gonna get rid of the colors here, the purple colors. All right, I think that looks. Honestly, I don't really like the way it looks too much, but we'll fix it. We'll fix it later. Like I think the edge pieces are relatively easy to fix once it's all set up. What's being worked on today? So today I'm working on we're updating the tile map of our spikes in chapter 4. So this is what the spikes, you might have seen it already. This is what they currently look like. And I want to make them look just better. They kind of look fuzzy to me, like they kind of look like a Christmas sweater on the inside. So I want to get rid of that look and give it more of like a crystal look. And hopefully that's what this is. This is what it could look like. Not really like this, but sort of like this. Because the edge pieces are gonna look a little different. But yeah, so I have to merge these layers down. I'm gonna save this. I think we already have it saved. But I'm going to create a new save, Frozen Draft 2, because we might screw up something. Merge down. Merge down again. Okay. I'm going to copy this whole thing. This will be our top layer. So it'll look like that. Oh my god, this looks disgusting. In a moment, we'll see how it looks. What I could, oh wait, why did I do this? Why did I do it this way? I just realized we could just cut this down. We could make it. Yeah. I don't know why I thought this was a good idea to just do this. I think this was what I was initially trying to do. Well, I mean, I guess we could try both. We could try this. No. Well, it's good to have the smaller one. This is an 8x8, which is already too large. We'll have to figure out some of the other edge cases. But let me just move this over here. We'll make a blob with this. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. And let's give it a shot. So, wait. Let's see if this actually looks good. I'm doing something wrong. I don't know, they look like alien teeth. Currently, I mean, this is the whole texture. Why does it look weird when I do this? Like, it doesn't even look like the texture is being used at all. That's also a part of the problem. We actually see the teeth on the outside. Oh, okay. Wait a second. Maybe we can make this work. Maybe I could, if we get rid of the blob. Can we make a blob from nothing? No, you need at least one tile. We can make like a black tile. and try this. Copy raw. Paste. Make a blob. And we'll do the same thing, but with this one, with these. And this will create the, I think this will create the right, oh no. Actually, no, wait, this could still work though. And then all we would have to do from here is just fill in, basically grab everything that we don't want these edge pieces. We do want the filler right there. And this is the most important part. Like the rest of this stuff, we won't really have too many edge cases where we're drawing stuff like this. And this actually looks relatively good. Like I actually like this corner spike. So let's give it a shot. We need 16 by, this is usually like, this is our typical auto tile size. So let's go. We just need any tile map, to be honest. Let me see. Blue ice collision tile map. Blue oaks. Okay. Let me save. Wait, is this the right one? Should be. All right. Let me just make a new layer real quick. Let me export this as. We'll call this. Holy shit, bro! What the hell is that? Dude, I just saw like a flying spider. It flew across my room too, like it's gone. I don't even wanna, I'm just gonna pretend it didn't exist. Okay. So we're gonna grab this entire, is this the entire image? Yeah, it has to be. Alright, so we're gonna copy this. We have our new layer. Oh my goodness, it's so simple compared to... Okay, but this is exactly what we want. And then we'll just add what we had originally. So, okay. We'll do this, then let's grab this color, delete it. We'll erase this because we don't need that. And then we'll just grab what we used to have here in the center. Whoops. Cool. Something about this looks weird to me, but maybe it's fine. Also, very interesting that I feel like this is the exact shape. Maybe not. I was gonna say this looks like the exact shape of this. Let me see. What's that? What are the chances, right? Pretty close though. Maybe we'll include this one as the second variety. So like this is our first one. We can do something like this for the second tile map, but we'll see. Holy shit! It's that spider again, dude. Why is it flying? Dude, what the hell? It's literally like flying up my wall and then like zipping across the room. How's it going, Parkour Ninja? What the hell, man?
It's doing it again. It's doing it.
Here, the second, if I see it, it's gonna do it again. What I'm worried about is like it's coming from like underneath my desk. I don't know how the hell that's possible. Like that means it's going like through my legs or something. I'm just ignoring it. It's coming for you. Yeah, it is coming for me. I'm scared. All right. If it happens again, I'll point the camera at it. But of course, now that I want to record it, it's not gonna happen. Give me a mini heart attack. All right. Well, that was exciting. It was like it almost looked like a daddy long legs, but a little bit more. I don't know. A little too many things going on it for it to be a daddy long legs. Like it had like, I don't know, a 9th leg or something. I don't know. I'm scared for my life now. All right. Maybe one of those mosquito eaters. I would hope so. I mean, I won't kill it. It doesn't look like it'll harm me. Oh, this person responded to me. Cool. Let me see. What did I want to look up? Mosquito eater. Mosquito eater spider? Yeah. It kind of look like this, actually. Mosquito hawks and daddy long legs are big but harmless. Mosquito hawks? Mosquito hawks. No. Maybe it was a daddy long legs. It might have just been a daddy long legs and I'm just... But dude, it was flying. It was like... It was zooming around. Okay. Let's get back to work. So this could be our new tile map, potentially our new tile map. There are some things that we might need to do with this because this is still an 8x8. Like if we show this grid, does it automatically set to a? I feel like this is. Yeah, I have to set this to 8x8. So yeah, what we would have to do is like for the centerpieces, we would have to make sure that whenever we have a centerpiece, the appropriate piece that we put is the, the next one, the next coordinate over. So that's one thing that we would have to modify. Is there anything else? Also, this one is a little bit odd compared to what I'm used to. Usually our tile maps look like this. And now it looks like this. But I mean maybe it's good for spikes. Maybe we'll have something unique for the spikes. Maybe we don't even need this amount of tiles. Like this would be the filler anyway. Alright, let's just try it out. Blue spike 16 by 16. Control E. All right, let's go into our spike tile map. We're gonna have to do some shenanigans with the with our new tile map though. I'm scared for my life. Spike. Blue spike, 16 by 16. Throw it in there. Let's make a. Well, it's hard to see where it starts. Let's see. I mean, we're probably gonna. I'm trying to think. Do we fill up the entire? We're probably gonna fill up the entire screen. So let's go back into this one. I'm just gonna put. Why is it growing from the center? Okay. Dun 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 dun. Alright, I'm just gonna do this real quick so that we could see it. New auto tile. Let's just fix the snap options. It's 8 by 8. And the subtile size is also 8 by 8. Okay, cool. This will be the whole thing. Save. Let's go back here. Let's hide this one. Export it again. Bring this back. Do we not save? There we go. Okay, so the bit mask, these are the filler ones. We're also gonna make this 3 by 3 minimal. And apparently there is a way to edit the tile map to do this for you. I'm probably just gonna do it in the tool script. Like I'll just probably work on the, like you can do some stuff with the tile set itself and like manipulate how everything works, but I don't know how to do that. And I don't want to spend time researching it. I know how to do it with the tile map itself, so that's how we're gonna do it. It's probably in a nutshell, it's probably gonna be the same exact thing. But it's nice to do it with the tile map, the tile set, probably. So that way you don't have to press a button or run a tool script to make it work. So these are going to be the fill. We can actually probably randomize this. These will be the corners. No, it's literally just like any tile map. We just have to make sure this looks good. Maybe let's see what it looks like. Maybe it'll be fine the way it is. I'm curious. How do I handle? So we handle it like that. Also, we don't have any corner pieces just yet. I'll have to look into that. I guess maybe we can copy what we had originally over here. I'm like, yeah, I'm scared for the spider. I'm scared for the spider. I don't want it to die. All right, so this is the new spike. And where are the corner pieces? What the hell? Are we supposed to add another? Dude, what the? Oh, it's not a spider. It's a. What the hell is it? I don't know if you guys can see it. Where is my? Be very hard to see. It's in the corner, top right corner. It's. What the hell? Oh wait, I lost it. It's gone. Whatever. I still don't know what the hell it is. I don't think it's a spider, because... I mean, I don't think it's a mosquito, because usually mosquitoes bug the hell out of me. This doesn't even look too bad, and we didn't even do the thing that I was planning on doing. Okay, so this is what it could potentially look like, and this is what it used to look like. I mean, it looks better. There's not as much variety in the spikes just yet. Also, I don't know if... Yeah, we don't have corner pieces being handled yet. Yeah, how's it going, Bad Cop? We recently got attacked by spiders. I saw you were a guest streamer on... I never heard of that streamer before. But that person... Travi, yeah. What was that about? I came in I literally just joined as the stream was ending. Doing bash stack. Teaching him how to do it. Gotcha. I mean, I don't even know. It all looked like rocket science to me. Yeah, I mean, you guys were I don't know, you were saying you were handling I joined when you guys were talking about, it was really towards the end, when you were returning. No, I'm good. I'm gonna stick to my simpleton GD script. What were you guys talking about? You were returning I don't. It was I think it was a clever way to return false or a clever way to return true. You were 200 minus 6 bits or something like that. I was like, what the hell? What's going on here? Yeah, but that's an implementation detail. You don't need to know how to use bash stack. That's the point. I see. Don't need to know. That's all I needed to hear. It would be cool, I feel I don't know much about other than game dev stuff. I've only been working in Godot lately. Have you ever done web things? Not enough. Not enough to say I'm familiar with anything, or I have the confidence to say oh, I can. I mean, I think I could develop a website that I needed to if I needed to make one, but obviously I would have to do a decent amount of research. It's the same thing with different terminology, to be honest. Right. Yeah. So what was I trying to do? Programming is all the same, yeah. Oh, we needed to add all the transition, or sorry, the just all the other edge cases, but I don't know if this Tom app handles it. Let me see. Maybe it does. Can I think I could just copy this. Copy bitmask. Paste. What the? Ah, shit. We've never done... Let me see. Maybe we can copy it from our auto tile. I think the next project, I would like to do something related to using the Twitch API, but I'm not sure. I see so many devs doing it, and I think it's so cool, but I also see so many devs doing it, and I'm like, oh, maybe I'll just leave it to them so that they're already so good at it. So I might as well just stick to what I'm good at, which I think is making games. Let me see. Is this really all we do for our time? Wow. All right, so we'll have to make one. We could technically, I could actually just grab. We could import this. There's a tool in Tilesetter that lets me export to the Godot tile set. Export as a Godot tile set. Hit me up literally anytime you want help with doing programming things. Programming thing? Yeah, for sure. Maybe because I would like to do something related to using Twitch, at least for fun, like maybe once a week or something. That'd be pretty cool. So I actually have the like I know a lot of game devs have this problem of like switching between projects. I'm the complete opposite. I have a problem with like trying out new things. And I'll just stick to like I never want to leave this project. That's why it's hard for me to do game jams. Always happy to be a resource. Yeah, I'll definitely take you up on that one of these days. Alright. I'm just going to give this a shot. We'll throw this into... We could literally just draw this ourselves, but I'm lazy. Right, I'm just going to put it into test. And we're just going to call this speed run asset. Gonna delete later. Hopefully this just works. Test. Test. Oh, we'd have to make a new scene real quick. What did I call it? Oh my god, I went crazy with the name. We're just gonna delete it right now though. They make a bitmask for yeah. Okay. So you can just copy this. Did they do it in 2x? No, what the hell. Alright, I'm just gonna copy it and see if this works. What the hell? This is not what I wanted. Kitarp 6, thank you. Thank you. Oh, and for the hydrate. Alright, well, this was a waste of time. That's okay. Let's delete everything, we'll just draw it ourselves. We've learned our lesson. Is there a way to delete everything? There we go. At least we can still... Oh wait, no, we can't. We have to draw it ourselves. Okay. Drawing it is much easier than erasing it, though. Also, I just realized this is slightly unique because usually they come out to here, so it wouldn't have worked either way. What are the corner pieces? I guess we can look at this one as a reference. So we have these, and then let's just try making a box. I don't know what the hell this is supposed to be. Subtile size. What happens if we change this? Oh, that does not help. 16. Will it help if I change this to 16? Okay. Let's just try it. We'll make a line going down. We'll just keep following this little section right here. Boop, boop, bo-do-do-do. Something like that. Is it 2? There's no way this is 2. This would have to be like... Shit, I don't know. There's a spike right there, so I assume it would have to be like... this, maybe. Do-do-do-do-do. Has to be like that. And what is this? Like this? Yeah, it would help if we made this larger, and maybe we could do that down here. Let's see. I don't know if this handled everything. It's basically... Oh, it did handle this appropriately. We might want to put like more spikes here. Oh, and this corner piece looks like crap. Well, let's get rid of that. What's that? I guess it's this one. It's all of these. These are all wrong. Oh, what's going on now? Still, it looks weird. What is this? That's a... What the... I thought we handled something. Is this supposed to be... I feel like, yeah, this is supposed to look like this. I think that's the problem. And then this could have been fine the way it was. Hopefully. Alright, there we go. We got our corner pieces. And if we empty... Ooh, it's looking pretty cool. We'll have some more variety in it too. Ooh, actually, yeah, not bad. There's some edge cases that I don't know why, but like sometimes it's empty for a little while. Like, oh, the vertical ones just don't exist, and our icon is invisible, so like it just places an invisible tile. We can change that. We'll make... For now, we'll make our icon, I don't know, I guess this one, or this one. Okay. But yeah, we still need to make a few more. I'm trying to think if... Let's see. I'm going to go back into our tile setter. Did we make one that looked more official? So we have this. I'm going to try bringing this back. Copy this. We'll make a blob. Let's copy. Oh, we don't need to copy anything. We're just gonna go here. Wrong one. It's this one. Then this. Oh, I forgot. This is ours. This is under a 16 by 16. We're gonna have to look at that. I forgot what we were doing with that. Alright, so yeah, this looks ugly. It looks so ugly. Like actual... Yeah, it just looks bad. So I do need a reference, so I will grab this real quick though, so we have something to look at. Why is this so pushed out? What the hell? Why does it look like that? Doesn't always look like that, does it? Oh yeah, we copied a little bit too much. Okay. So what is this? 1, 2, 3. Where is our colors? Where are colors? Oh right. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Just gonna put this here. Make a new layer, so I can see where we have to put it. So this is again under a 16 by. Yeah, these are 16 by 16 textures. We're gonna have to try to create 8 by 8s, and maybe we could just copy what we have here. They look very simple, but maybe it could work out. Maybe it won't be too bad. I do want to replace the color though, so right now this is the original one. Okay, here, let me, guess we'll just copy this. Which ones do I like? I kind of like all of them. Yeah, we'll just copy everything, and whichever ones we like, we'll put into the tile map. This looks kind of crazy at the moment. Like I feel like there's so much going on here. It might be hard to tell what exactly is going on, but I promise I know what I'm doing. I'm a professional. I'm a professional. Which one was it? This one. Okay. So another layer. And we'll hide this one. And I guess what we'll do is we'll just put little happy tiles. Just like that. That's really all we need, actually. What else? These look weird. These look decent. Yeah, we could just put all of, like, we have all of this to mess with, but yeah, most of the stuff could just go on, happen here. I mean, if we ever want to add more, we can. Alright, we need singular tiles too, which I guess we can add these. I'll just do, I have to make sure I'm consistent here. Also, wait, we were gonna remove the purple. I forgot about that. Let's grab, I don't know, this blue? Looks good. Looking good. Okay. These kind of look like shuriken. Where are our spikes? This one right here. Okay, we need vertical ones too. I think these are basically the same thing but just rotated. Yeah, a lot of the stuff we can just copy. I just realized I could just do this. Okay. So wait a second. I'm gonna run out of space. Do. Okay, there we go. Now we have everything. This is already used. So these are all of the singular tiles. We don't have all of the horizontal ones just yet. Is this the same thing? This looks like the same exact thing. You see, this does some... Yeah, it is the same thing. Okay. I guess we didn't really do anything special with the horizontal ones. Maybe we can add more later. For now, we'll keep it the way it is. So these we'll keep out here. We'll bring this closer to the bottom. Are they aligned with the... Nope, they're not aligned. This is not aligned. There we go. These kind of look ugly, actually, in my opinion. I'll keep it there for now. Are these exactly the same? They are. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of it. And let's also... Alrighty. This is all trash. I'll just leave it there as a reference. But this is what a 16 by 16 tile would look like, but we're not using a 16 by 16 tile. Okay. So now our icon we'd probably want it to be something like this. We might even change it to look better, because like now there's so much more detail in our spikes. But yeah, let's see. Oh wait, let's go back into the bit mask. So we do 2 usually. 2. Actually, I hate that one. And there we go. And yeah, let's get rid of that. Don't like this one at all. Cool. What I think we'll do also with the singular ones, I think it would be nice if we could randomize flipping them or rotating them or something. And we still don't have all connections. Like, I don't know why the hell this doesn't connect here. Guess if we do something... Oh, yeah. Something's wrong here. Let me see. What are we missing? It'll never look this. Like, it's always going to look like jagged, like corner pieces. We need to add some variety to the corner pieces. We need to add... I don't know what the hell's going to go on here. What is this? This is... I don't even know. So I've noticed sometimes maybe I spend too much time working on really small details, and then I look at other games that have done well, and I've noticed that they actually don't even pay attention to these details. Like certain textures can be like it bugs me that these are the same texture. Like if I feel like they need to be different. I feel like there needs to be at least a second texture. But I see it in some games, like, they just use the same thing, and it's like, whatever. It is what it is. I think... Oh, this star looks cool. This... Okay. And maybe I shouldn't care, but I can't help myself. I already see it. Like, it already looks so much better, I think. Yeah, let's see. If we paste this... This is what it used to look like, and this is what it looks like now. This... Yeah, the corner pieces I think looked so much better before. Like, there's just so much we had more variety in the texture. I honestly, I think it won't be too difficult to just bring back the old corner pieces. We also did something nice about it. Like I don't know what it is. Don't know. I guess it's like two. Yeah, okay, I think I know what it is. It's like. Let's see if we can try doing it right now. We don't have the texture for it just yet. Um. Okay, so the ones that we're concerned with. God damn it! It's so confusing looking at this. Let me see. It's these right here, I believe. These center pieces, which don't exist currently in our game, or currently in this bit mask. They're gone. So I guess we could plug it in there. Easy. So what that's gonna look like is this, apparently. So yeah, let's just grab it and see what it looks like. Right, that's the center. What the hell? Do. Or is it this? Actually, I think it's these. Oh, it's the same thing. Yeah, it's the same thing. Okay, so that's what that would be. I would like to add like maybe one white pixel, maybe like put it on this later, something like that. And then we do that. Hell yeah. Wait, is this? No, okay, I was gonna say, wait, this is this. This. Get rid of this. But yeah, this was based on the old one. That's why it looked weird. Oh, wait a second. Thought this would make it better, but it's in fact worse. I mean, if we do this, it looks kind of cool. If we grow them out, like, the thing is, sometimes we have to make it look like this, which actually it doesn't look too bad. The only time it looks weird is on when we make diagonal pieces like this. Looks too repetitive to me. But wait, let me see. What if we do? Let's just keep drawing and see what the potential is like. Yeah, this one just has way more variety on the outside pieces, and I feel like if we just add more, it'll look better. So let's make more corner and edge pieces. I'm trying to think. So these are what are these again? Let's see. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, these are corner pieces. So we just need to make more corner pieces and everything will be okay. Doom, 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 doom. Boom, boom, boom. We could also make these pieces right here look more like this one. But I don't know if that'll help. All right. Let's get to it. Do I need to repeat the same process that we did for this, or could I just make it myself? I feel like I could make it myself. I'm gonna get rid of, or you know what? I'll leave it the way it is. We'll draw over this one. Okay. Let me first. Should I just copy this and bring it down? Boom, boom, boom. Okay. There it is. Wait. This doesn't work because we need a new layer. There we go. Wait, what happened to our old layer? Oh, I'm dumb. I'm so dumb. Okay, there we go. Right, so now I'll just bring this all the way down so we don't have to deal with it. Eventually we might want to use it though. Alright, so we're gonna replace, honestly, it's the same thing. We're gonna replace these corner pieces, and what I think we're gonna do is just go back to our original 8x8s, and yeah, we'll just copy all of these. In fact, wait, is this the same as these corner pieces? You know what, yeah, I'm gonna copy this whole thing and we're gonna try to make this look good. Alrighty. So wherever we see this, we're gonna delete. Currently, what the hell? Do. Is this what it looked like? Yeah. Why are these pieces so much different? Weird. Okay, whatever. Okay. We won't mess with these, just, I mean, I guess we, this is the same as, I think technically we tried recreating it with this texture, so that's the same as that. So we don't need to use that, but, I'd like to recreate something different. And this one also kind of looks like crap. The corner pieces, no, the corner pieces actually look pretty cool here. I'm gonna grab them too. So I'm just gonna grab this entire thing. And I mean, technically, I like to create like the same structure for each like section. That way, like we could potentially, you know, this would be one variation, this would be a second variation, but I don't see us using, at least for now, I don't see us using this much. So I'm just gonna plug it in right here. And if we need it in the future, we'll edit it. Is this right? Corner pieces, this has to be up one, okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw it in like that. And I'll delete this one. Alright, let's try it out. Do we need any other? I feel like we're missing something. I also wanted to add this star as a top map, or like these guys. The only issue is that we would have to make something slightly more dynamic compared to what we have right now, which I might feel lazy, might not want to do today. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. If it looks really good, maybe I'll want to like just expand on it. But yeah, right here. Wait, what the hell? Where's our? We didn't do the final corner piece right there. And I deleted it. Oh, and we have to edit the colors and then change the colors at all. Wait, what the hell? Why is this one? Why does this one look weird? You know what I think? Wait. I don't know why. This is the only one. Oh, I guess this one also looks weird. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. Like, some of these look cool, some of these don't. Whatever. Alright, let's change the color a bit. So, like, yeah, just whenever we see this purple, we'll make it dark blue. Okay. There we go. Now it looks kind of cool. Maybe we just get like I guess the only issue is that this is the same as this piece right here. Maybe what I should have done is maybe for this I should put that there. That way it's like, but don't know actually. Let me see. Something about this one I still like. I like something. I like the edges more. We need more edges. This is a little too repetitive. I mean, okay. Yeah, I think that's the only problem. So let me go back to here. What's the difference between? So these are just flipped. Damn, I think does it flip it automatically here? We have this and we have this. I think it's flipped because we technically added this, which adds the flipped version. So it's not flipped here. Oh wait, no, it is flipped. Right? Yeah, it is flipped. Okay, because it's the 16 by 16. Okay, so we have all the flipped versions. We don't actually have to flip it through code. So yeah, let's just add. Let's see. We can add this one. But yeah. Trying to think. This could look weird. We could. Oh yeah. Here, let's do this. Can I grab this? I wonder, do I have to do this for everything? What we could do is copy this real quick. What is this? A 24 by 24? Wait. If I really wanted this to work, we would put this into tile setter, but I'm feeling lazy. I'm feeling like we can speed run this, and let me see. So this is what it looks like. We just need the top one. me make a new one. New, create from clipboard. Image, configure grid, 8x8, show grid. This is very close to the original, to be honest. But yeah, we'll grab this, okay? Then we're gonna grab the top texture from this. Before we do that, I'm gonna grab this version and paste it over here. I'm gonna flip it horizontally. So these are our two versions. And I actually want to grab not the top. Actually, it doesn't really does it matter? I'll try to be consistent here. So what we actually grabbed was the bottom texture here. And I'm gonna make a new layer, paste this over like this, and then we just erase it, exposing this, just so it has the same pattern. I'm gonna get rid of this purple. Holy shit, it is a spider. Oh my god. Oof. Oh my god, why is it flying? Why is it flying? I don't know if you guys can see it. Where the hell is it? Okay, it's I don't know. I can't even show you guys. I swear it's right there though. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. It's right there. You have to see it. It's that little brown spot. My mouse doesn't go over the. Here, wait. If I do this, do you see my mouse? I don't know if you guys see my mouse. No, you don't see my mouse. But it's like right. Shit, I lost it. Oh yeah. All right, look right there. I swear it's there. Oh yeah, it's right there. It's right there. There's a little brown speck. I'll increase the size of it. It's right there. Battle of the century, yeah. I mean, I'm not gonna kill it. I think it's killing other spiders, you know? I mean, it's killing other insects. So I'm okay with it being around. I think daddy longlegs are like, even though they're like the biggest spiders, they're honestly not too threatening for me, at least. We still have the same spider from before though. That's the spider I killed a while back. Oh, and the spider is gone. All right. Well, wherever it is. Oh, I see it. Oh my god. I don't even know how these bugs are getting into my room. I know how. It's because I leave my window open. Okay. And the thing is, they only come out at night. Usually during the day, I don't see any spiders, but because I'm up this late, I get to make friends with all the creepy crawlies. I'm trying to think, do I even need to make a tile map? I could just, honestly, I feel like I could just copy and paste this into our current tile map right here. Just do this. Wait, oh, can I just do this? Technically, no. Here. But this could kind of work. Let's merge this down. I'll copy this. It's all the way on my ceiling now. I wonder why. Do daddy long legs usually? Maybe because my fan is on. Oh. Oh, this is a problem. We don't usually keep it this high, I guess. Or do we? I mean, it seems like it's all the way up here. I guess it's usually 1 pixel shorter. I guess there's also a slight inconsistency. Yeah, let's try. Let's see. Yeah, these spikes are actually slightly. They're a completely different size compared to the other spikes in our game. We'll see if it becomes a problem. It basically means that, like, I mean, visually, it's only like the spike hurts you here. But usually like on the tile map, I usually make it only 1 tile high or max 2 tiles high, 2 pixels high. So it'd be weird if all of these are, 7 tiles high, but the hitbox is only like a pixel or 2. But we'll see. Alrighty, so here's our new spike. And then, what is this? Is this the same thing as this? No, it's slightly different. So we could also do it to this one right here. And I might as well do it now. So, oh wait, this is, let's grab the vertical one. Do 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 do. All right, and that's all there is to it. Cool. Merge this down. Go back to our tile map. And we just have to make a 16 by 16 version of this. And I guess we could technically throw it. I guess we can throw it right here. Oh, right there. It's still 1 pixel too high. What did I do? Did I just delete it on the bottom? I think that's what I did. Okay. Wait, this looks like the same thing as this. Why did I waste my time? Yeah, I just did the same thing twice. Right? The corner pieces for this one are the same. I guess we have a structure if we ever want to change it. Like we could just mess with these. Whatever. Do. Alright, the moment of truth. Texture got updated. Oh, let's also erase this. We don't really need this anymore. We don't need this to be added to our variety. We have all of this, and we also have all of this. Okay. Wait, this is the original. Yeah, this is the... Okay. There we go. I'm loving this. Or I like it more. Corner pieces look pretty cool. I guess the main concern was the inside. Let's see. So this is what it used to look like. This is what it looks like now. I was hoping to maybe make it look more dynamic than this. We could technically still update it to be like, so right now you can see like we have different waves, and maybe that's the problem. Like we could make it look like this. I would have to like disable the auto tile and sort of draw it ourselves. We could do some shenanigans. Like we could. God damn, there's so many textures here. But basically, we could make this the typical center texture. We could even automate like making sure that, you know, every time this. Actually, wait, no. I was gonna say we can make this match this, but these are both the same texture, so like flipping it. Like every time we had this one, we would have to put this one, which I don't think is a good idea. Unless we made this its own texture, but it looks there's too much going on here right now. The only one that we could change is the center. We could try doing it. We could literally just say whenever we have this texture, we put this one, or whenever we have this coordinate, we put this coordinate, and then if the one below is not right, if the one below it is not -1, then we put this one and this one. Is it worth? Wonder how much time it'll take though. Oh shit! What? So, let's see what this looks like in game. You know what? Let's just see. It's not gonna kill the player yet because we didn't add the hitboxes. Let's see. What's going on? What the hell's taking so long? Oh, I guess because we added to the spike tile map. Don't save. Also, we can get rid of these. Boom, 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 boom. Speed run, asset gone. It saves it in a folder. Okay. Okay. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Ooh. It looks kind of freaky to me, actually. But I like it. It's so much better. What the hell? I need to make a script. Wait, does this work? I think we had a script to... Okay, yeah, let's go into our spec tile map real quick, and I'm gonna make a new script. Let me see. If current auto tile does not equal null. We're doing this thing where like we say, oh, if it's equal to 4, we do this. I'm going to say, oh, if it's equal to 4, we say it's equal to the spike index. So technically, what I could do in our spike index right now is just set our default to, what is this, 5? And then every time we run this, it'll just automatically update to the right one. So like here, go into our spikes, click this, and boom. Oh, I'm liking this. I like it so much. It was all worth it. But now I have to click on each room and do this. I haven't even tested it in the game yet, so let me just do a few more and then we'll see. Where should I test it out? I think the beginning rooms are really well detailed. So let's try it out with like this one. I should really figure out. I think I could do something with like. It is slightly dangerous because like if I screw something up, I mean that's why we use GitHub, I guess. But it could screw some stuff up potentially. Ooh, but I like it. I think it looks so cool. I was concerned earlier. Like I was like, I haven't tried it out though. I don't know. Maybe it looks like crap once we see it in the game. But so far, I think it looks really cool. And we'll probably update it some more later on. This is just for the demo. Oh, what? Why didn't it update? Oh, because there we go. Frozen spike tile map. Oh yeah. All right. Moment of truth. It might be like too dark or something. It does look slightly darker than the original, but oh no, I like it. I think it looks good. We do need to fix like there's like some maybe edge cases of the auto tile we haven't handled yet. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, we don't die, so I have to keep pressing restart. Oh, what's this? Okay, so our tile map, there's I guess one flaw in this new tile map, and that's that we're like a little bit more. We draw a little bit more on the tile map, so like our grids could be slightly screwed up. We'll have to see once we add the collisions. Oh, but dang, I wish I had a button to just magically convert all of these. Is there? I'm trying to think. Like, if you, but it wouldn't save the scene. Let me see. Why am I asking questions when we have Google? You know, I also realized I like sit closer to the center of my desk. My monitor is like facing this way. I think that's better though. Okay. What was I gonna look up? Why did I open up Google? Godot something. I wanted to look up Godot for something. Godot. Edit. Save. Resource. Save. Child. Node. Via script. So this is kind of what we want to do. Is there a way to do that? Export parent scene children, saving TSCN in a script. This site currently is read-only mode during migration to a new platform. I'm gonna save this scene in the script. Is there any way I can do this from my understanding? Packed scene. So yeah, I remember looking up this stuff, but okay. I'm scared to do this. We would have to do this, I'm trying to think. We'd have to create a whole system for this, just for us to click a button and replace all spikes. I wonder if it's even worth it. Would be nice though, in a click of a button, just everything gets replaced. I'm trying to think if there's... Right. Nodes and scenes and instances. Let me see. Control F. Save. Nothing. Export parent scene children. How to save a node and its children. Resource saver. Pack scene.new. Save.pack self. Resource saver. What the hell is resource saver? Is that a node in Godot? I guess we could try it out, right? You know, I do remember saving scenes with our editor node. We could look at a script real quick. Editor. Don't remember what I did with this. Let me see. Save. Not Dave. Save. Resource saver. Save. Scenes. Okay, yeah. Packed scene. Okay. Yeah, we just export the node. I'm trying to think, like, we would save it to the room. Right. Let's do it. Let's try it out. We'll make a test room because I don't want to screw up anything in our game. But I'm also thinking, I'm just gonna try this out just to see if it's possible. But maybe we won't actually do this today because I feel like it would be a lot of work. But maybe not. Let's find out. So we're gonna make a new room real quick. Sorry, we're gonna make a new world. I'll just duplicate chapter 4. Call this chapter 4 test. And we're only gonna keep one room out, like one potential room. We can only ruin one potential room. Which room do we want to keep? Everything but room. Let's just say room. This room right here, 174. Okay. So what we're gonna do in, you know, we could also do this. There's like tool scripts, and then there's also like editor scripts that we can. I've never actually made an editor script. Did we just accidentally rotate our player? We did. Oh shit, we did it again. Oh shit, what are we doing? Okay. Alrighty. So what we want to do is just make sure that our, what is this? Use official spawn. Okay. Should I do it in the chapter, or we could also do it in the room? We don't actually have a room script, so it might be nice to just run it there. Do we actually not have a room script? Oh, I guess we don't. I might as well run it here. Like, fuck it. Make our life easier. Rooms.gd. Okay. So we're gonna add an export variable. Let's just copy what we have. Let me close all these windows, all these tabs. Gonna open up a random room. Let's open up a Artotile script. Just gonna copy this. What's that get? Okay. Oh, I just realized something. If we add a room script, okay, I think it's fine. I was gonna say we would have to add a room script to every like. This is the problem. This would help with so many things if we make this work. That way we can actually modify like old rooms without having to go into, like, sometimes I want to add a script to like a node that's already been edited or like already is local to a scene. This would change the whole game. Cool. Now, it wouldn't really change that much, but it would just make my life easier. Okay. Give me 1 second. Okay. I think I saw my hair like move from my fan, and I thought it was the spider behind me. That's how afraid I am. I remember there was a command to reset this, but I forgot what it was. Reset, Control R. Why is it not working? Okay. Room. Let's do this. You have to create tool. We'll call this, what do we want to call this? Edit, or I guess reset. We can call it reset spikes. Reset spikes. And we're also going to want to create like a export variable, export int. Target, yeah, we'll say spike index is equal to 0. We need to make a function called reset spikes. Oh, and we need to make sure that we can save. We haven't done that yet. So we'll mess with that soon too. What happened here? Oh, input. Whoa. Okay. And then we're gonna want to save this for every room. Save. We're gonna call this func save every room, and you know, for room in get children. We'll say we're gonna have to save. I forgot how we do this, but let's look back at our editor. So I'm sure I handled it there. Okay, so we do we do a room slash, I don't know what the hell this means. Room slash autotile2 dot set owner to room. And then for node and room dot get children, node dot set owner room blah 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 blah. Pack scene not pack room, and then what the hell is going on here? Remove tile, replace tile. Is there anything else that we do here? Place tile, physics process, player input, change current, ready. Alright, yeah, I mean, I think this is probably doing everything. For node in, okay, so we iterate through all of the stuff in the room, and then we set it as the owner, and then we pack it, and then we save it. That's what I'm getting from this. I wonder if we have to do all of this if the node, like, yeah, let's just copy this and try it out. Doom, 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 doom. Okay, so I'm gonna put input node, we'll say input room, and we'll say input room dot set owner. Wait, what is the owner actually? Yo, how's it going, Jack? Input room. Do we need to set an owner? I don't think so. Because we're saving. Wait, what was the original thing? Room.autotile. Yeah, this doesn't really. If worst case scenario, we would have to go through the room's children and set it as the input room. Working on a new enemy. Hell yeah. Do 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 do. Yeah, I don't even know if we need to do this. We'll do it this way, and then like I know it'll work this way. Packed scene. Var pack scene is equal to pack scene new. Pack input room. Okay, so let's save this. Usually we would want to grab the input room's name, but because we're just trying this out, we're gonna call this room 99. We'll call this room 174 test. Save. And then for room and get children, we'll just say save room. Save every room. All right. So we could try it. We could just literally put it here and say save every room. Is it that easy? Is that all we have to do? Moment of truth. Reset spikes. Let's see. Room 174. Save. Test save. Yeah, I mean everything is. Yeah, it saved everything. I'm curious if we don't set the owners, does it still save? Does it still save everything? And I wonder if there are like edge cases. Like let's say we put. Well, we'll mess with it right now, but like here, wait. Here, we also have to add this to everyone. I'm scared. I'm scared if we could technically break everything. I'm gonna delete this save real quick. Let's go back into this and let's for node and input. We're setting the owner. Node.setOwner. Yeah. Let's comment this out for now. I'm just curious to see. Because, oh, yeah. Wait, we could have just checked here. Oh, yeah. It's all saved. Like the... Oh, wait, no. We never have a child of a child in our game. At least, like, for these nodes. So far, I haven't done anything like that. But we'll find out right now if it works. So all we're doing is packing the scene, input room, and then resource saver, save the room. And boom. And yeah, everything okay. We didn't even have to edit anything. Okay, so the next step is to see if we can change the tile map. I mean, yeah, let's see. So we'd go into every room. This was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. So we just say for room in get children, or sorry, in reset spikes, we'll do it. So for room in get children, we'll just say room dot get. We can actually hard code it. We can say room dot get. If get, we can say if get node or null of room dot get. Can we say this? Do we have a reference? Get node or null. How do we get? Yeah, we could say get node or null. If get node or null of node path. Is that literally just the name? Or the path? Is it I assume it's the... Let me see. I'll just grab the path. Whatever that is. Spike tile map. Copy node path. What's the command for that? Control Shift C. Okay. And if get node or null. Do I have to say does not equal null? I don't think so, but I'll say it anyway. Get node or null. Spike tile map. We'll just say spike tile. Oops. If room. Room dot get. What is it? What do I call the spike function? Run fix auto tile, whatever that script is called. Also, I just remembered when we run the script, we actually changed this to the parent. It's gonna crash on us. It's gonna freak out on us. We'll figure it out afterwards. Actually, no, never mind, because I think we run this on the ready, so actually it's fine. Where, what am I looking for? Fix auto tile? No. Where do we run continue? Oh, right here. Get available tiles, apparently. But when do we run get available tiles? Fix auto tile, I believe is what we want to run. So yeah, we can say fix auto tile, true, and it does all of its things. But the issue though is that the spike index here is not. It's not the same. We would have to set the spike index to be whatever it is. So we'd have to say, you know, here let's just try it out. Maybe here let's set this to. Set this to 1 by default, just so we can see if it actually works. Okay, so it's set to 1, and then we're just gonna tell it to run the fix auto tile script. Fix auto tile method, I mean. Alright. I hope this just works. Am I missing something? For room and get children, room dot get notes, spike tile map dot fix auto tile true. Alright, so we should see this turn. Oh! It automatically just did stuff. This turned into 1. And what it did was it checked for, yeah, it did some crazy stuff because we don't have anything else. Yeah, I know. I think I know why this happened. If we set this to... Alright, we're just going to have to make a new script, actually. I'm just going to do it right now. And we're just going to do this. Input, index. For cell in get. What the hell? And update bitmask area. And that's it. Set spike index. Where is it? Where is it? set spike index of whatever we want, I guess of this. So there we go. And it's so weird that the script automatically runs. I don't like that that happens. We can do like I think we could technically make like some sort of check for that. Here, let me see. Like just to, here, let me do this. Export. Cool. Var double check is equal to false. Set this to 1. There we go. Now it won't do anything until, I hope, let's see. If I set this to true, will it save? Yeah, okay. There we go. So yeah, we'll set this to false. I don't know why it does that. Like automatically sets this to true and runs it. But yeah, if we want this to run, we just have to go here, run at double check, then do this. And I mean, so this usually doesn't work for this, but like let's say we want to run it on 5, which is the new tile map. There we go. And then we don't have a save script yet. Let's do that. I guess we can run. Oh yeah, we can do this. We can also say, ooh, this is actually a good idea. Like, okay, so we just did this, right? Hypothetically, this room has changed. Or, I mean, not hypothetically. Literally, it's changed. We go into the room. All right, I think this is what it originally looked like anyway. Let's go back here. Let's say I want this to be 1. And then I run the script, and I save. Let me go into this room. You can see it's still the same. And I guess what we could do is if we ever screw up here, we'll just have this little another like fail safe basically, just because I feel like there's some potential for like all of this screwing up. So I'm gonna just do export bool var double check spikes. It's kind of like, are you sure you want to save? Save for sure. Is equal to false. And then what we'll do in our save room is we'll say if save for sure. And there we go. And it's all good. And then what we could do, so input room, now we can actually say, would be, instead of saying, you know, room 174.testsave.tscn, we would actually say, input room.getName, because usually we're pretty consistent with our room names. And then we would add tscn, and there. That's all we need to do. Let me, if double check. Oh, double check spikes. So I guess we'll make another export var save rooms is equal to false, set get save every room. It doesn't seem like we need this. Worst case scenario, we'll add it. I'll just don't need to set owner. Okay. Oh, I just realized something. No, I think it's fine. So, yeah, we go into our room. We will say, let's say, save for sure. Then I'm gonna double check spikes, and we're going to say set this to 2, run reset spikes. You got this kind of crazy thing going on here. We can also run different scripts, but then we say save for sure, and what the? Is that a mosquito? Why are they bothering me? Save for sure, and then save rooms, and then this should be a pink room now. It's not a pink room. Why is it not a pink room? Set spikes. Save rooms. Okay, wait, now it worked. Huh, what the hell? Alright, wait, let me try this again. Don't know why it worked the second time around. Okay, so, wait. Oh, you know what's happening? It's because technically it did save. So if I open this, you'll see it did save. But the thing is, this room right here is actually the official one. And so when we go back into this room, it's grabbing room 174, not room 174 test save. So what we're going to do now is, you know, we're just going to go... I'm fairly confident this will work. Let me just make sure. I'm going to try one more thing. Let's go into room 174. I'm going to just add a child node to, like, let's say the vines tile map. And let's just make sure that gets saved. We might... Don't know if something's gonna screw up there. So we should have a node 2D that gets saved in the test node now. So yeah, just save room. Let's go back here. Oh, yeah, we don't. It seems. I don't know. Wait, let me try that again. Try it one more time. Save rooms. Save. No, we do get it. Okay. I wonder what happened the first time around. Let me try that. Maybe I didn't save this scene. Alright, I do want to double check. Okay, I'm going to save this. I'm going to save this. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to add this as a node. Save it. Come back here. Run the save rooms. Open this. And yeah, we get the node. Okay, cool. Oh, wait. I actually don't know if we got the node because this could have just been an old scene. Here, let's... Wait, oops. I meant to delete this and save it and close it. Then go back here. Save chapter 1. Let's see. Okay, nothing here. Something here. Close everything. Run save rooms one final time. Open this. And yeah, we get the node. Okay, cool. Everything is cool. And now, for my final trick, just go back here and instead of saving this, we're just going to copy the room name. So we'll say this. Let's say... Probably want to save this as a... I'll just make a string right now. Var path. Say file path. Is equal to str of all of this. And I'll erase this. Oh shit, what happened here? And we'll say input room dot get name. Oh my god. Input room dot get name. And boom. That's it. And then and then yeah, just file path. It should work. Okay. So, let's say, so Usually this won't be, I mean, hopefully this just works. Okay, so we're gonna try it out now. So let's go into our chapter 2 test. Let's say we want to make this room, let's say we want to make this, the spike index of this room, 2. So everything is pink now. If I were to save everything, I mean, technically, this didn't really do anything. If I were to close this or like maybe switch scenes, you'll see that it resets right away. But if we reset it and then click on save rooms, then if we go back, wait, oh, what? I thought we fixed it. I thought we did the thing. Let's try it again. Set this to 2. We reset our spikes. Save the room. What the hell? Maybe input room not get name is wrong. Room 174, comma TSCN. I was just hoping this would work. Let me print, I guess, the file path. I'm trying to think, worst case scenario. I mean, worst case scenario, we don't really have to do this, but I thought this would work. I'm trying to think, what can we do otherwise? Like, it does seem to work when we save it as another scene, so I don't see why this wouldn't work, but we'll find out soon, I guess. File path is that, so oh, is there? Oh, parse. Something is wrong. Line 26. Print. Scenes, levels, rooms. Yeah. It should work. Maybe the set owner thing is necessary if we want to. Let me see. Let me close it. Let's try it again. Reset spikes. Save rooms. File path, scenes, level, rooms, room 174. We go, oh, okay. I think the problem is if I have this room open, if I have any rooms open, then it doesn't save. I think that was the problem. Alright, so let me just double check. So let's set this back to, what was it, 6? Nope. 4, 5. Alright, so 5, save rooms, open 174. There we go. Okay. One more time. 1, reset spikes, save rooms, room 174. Awesome. Cool. Alright. So now, we could have, now we could use this for like all of our rooms, for like adding, you know, like background objects, like adding vegetation, all that kind of stuff. I can do all of that in just a click of a button, so that's cool. And resetting like the, you know, auto tile, resetting the background tiles, like it just makes our life so much easier. So 5, boom, and now for let me back everything up before we break the entire game. Let me what did we just do? New spike auto tile and mass saving rooms. Alrighty. Hell yeah. I'm actually very excited for this. We did so much. Yeah, this is why I like the morning streams. The morning streams, I feel like I get just so much done. Rooms.gd. Room.gd. We do have to add this script to all of our. I mean, if we ever want to run this in other places, I'll have to. But yeah, check this out. Okay. Let's do it. 5. We're about to see everything just change before our very eyes. As long as nothing crashes. Okay. Double. What is this? Double check. Spikes. Reset spikes. And then save for sure. Save rooms. There we go. And you can see here, we saved all of the rooms. Nice. Wow. Now I want to do everything. I wanted to do like, okay, now we could edit the auto, like, I think all of the auto tiles are fine the way they are, but like sometimes we're not spawning in like these tiles right here, or like the vegetation, and also like you can see it doesn't work for all edge cases, but that's okay. I want to play through the levels now that we did all of this work. We'll see. So let's see a random room. I just want to make sure. I'm pretty sure it's saved, but like if we go into this room, what? Oh no! Oh no! Okay, there's one problem. The origin of the room, for some reason, gets set to this, but that's okay. That's okay. We can just, I guess we could just set the origin when we. How do we do this? We would like, before we pack the scene, put the position back at 0, then put it back to where it was. Interesting that that's what happens. Yeah, I think we could just reset the position. Okay, so let's go back into our room script real quick, because I don't know. Yeah, we'll say, okay. We'll say temp position. Wonder. Yeah, let's just do this. Temp position is equal var temp global position. I think we could do this. There's probably a better way to do this, but I'm just going to say it like this. We'll say temp global position is equal to input room dot global position. And then what we'll say before we save it, before we pack the room, we have to do this. Right there, we'll say var room input room input room dot global position. And then, oops, we're gonna want to do this. Yeah, we do this here. Input room dot global. What's going on? Oh, oops. And then, yeah, once we pack it, then we'll put it back to its original position. All right. I think that's all we have to do. Let's test it out in our test scene real quick. So let's say this room is here. If I go into this scene, I think it's already, yeah, the position's already been manipulated. But let's see. We'll do save rooms. File path 174. Wait, we have to close that. Try it again. Reset spikes, save rooms. Let's go into the scene. And there we go. The position is back on the origin. This will be kind of trippy, maybe, for some of our rooms because... Oh, wait, let me see something. Because now with that in mind, I wonder if that'll screw with other things. Well, I don't think it will. Because we are resetting the position, so I think it's fine. It's not like we were loading the scene in or anything like that. All right. So let's... I guess we could just run the script again. Just save for sure. Also, we got to make sure we don't run this all the time. Once we save it, we should uncheck these. I don't know, just in case of something. Okay, so we saved all our rooms. Let's just make sure like the origin of this is back. Yeah, there we go. Cool. All right. We could just play it now. I'm so excited. Wait a second. Why does it still look like the original? We must have accidentally... What the hell? Let's try that again. Save for sure. Double check spikes. There we go. And then save rooms. Everything is saved. Let's make sure everything is closed too. Let me try this one more time. Save for sure. Save rooms. And save. Uncheck this. Okay. Let me close chapter 4 just in case. Let me see if... I don't know, I just want to make sure everything works. Wait, what? It didn't save anything. Wait. It didn't save this one, at least. Why did we spend all this time working on this if it didn't save? It did save. Why in our... What the hell? Visually, maybe it just didn't... Okay, yeah, we open it. It seemed to have saved there. Weird. Okay, let me see. Which one... Okay, so this one didn't save. Or didn't appear to save. All of these didn't appear to save. If I run it in-game, what happens? Okay, when we run it in-game, it saves. So I guess just... I wonder, like, if maybe I have to, like, reload Godot for it to visually show. Let me see. Alright, so, yeah, none of this is... All of these are still the original ones. Let me reload current project. Oh, what? Why is the global position of this back here? Why is this here? Oh, you know what it must have been? We, when we were just testing this out, we kept the script running. And it was only that one, so hopefully that was just a fluke. Alright, let me make sure everything is good. Alright, so it seems like everything is saved properly. I don't know why this one, the global position of that got set to that. You know, it got messed up here. We're gonna run the script one more time. So we're gonna do some shenanigans. We'll try setting this to 1. We'll say double check spikes, reset spikes. It's gonna look ugly. But save for sure and save the rooms. All of the rooms got saved. Let's uncheck everything. Save it. And let's run the game. Well, actually, I'm just going to reload the project. 'Cause we already know it's fine. I mean, it seems to register. Okay, so everything is good now. Our positions don't get reset. Everything gets saved. If we click on each of these rooms, yeah, it looks good. Okay. So this looks disgusting, right? Yeah. Double check spikes, reset spikes, save for sure, save rooms. Everything got saved. Uncheck everything just to make sure. Go into our main scene and let's play. I'm actually glad we did this, because now, oh, what the frick? Why is this one not changed? And I keep dying here. So it seems like, I don't know what it is. Maybe saving from time. This is room. Oh, it was because we had this room already open. That's why. You don't want to keep rooms open when you do this. Because having it open just like overrides whatever the hell is going on there. Oh, we saved the rooms. Double check spikes, do this, then save the rooms. Then uncheck everything and save. Okay. I'm actually so happy with it. Oh, what? Oh my goodness, what's going on now? Alright, I guess we're... Ooh. Eee. What happened here? Let's try that again. Double check spikes. Reset spikes. Save for sure. Save. Save everything. I guess maybe when we do this thing, maybe I have to reload the project. Could also be that we're running GitHub desktop in the background, so that could be screwing with us. At least I think it's good now. It's gonna. I guess it will act finicky. Just because. Yeah, it's running in a tool script. There's just a little bit of shenanigans going on. We're saving scenes that... Yeah, we're placing scenes and stuff, so, like, yeah, it's just weird. But all in all, I think it's still pretty worth it to have. It's usually something that I would do at the end of, like, developing a chapter. Is just like, oh, or like, you know, we recently made a new tile map and I want to try it out in the whole chapter, you know? Or for instance, right now we're working on a new spike tile map, and it's so much easier to just, you know, instead of having to click on every single room, I just click on this button and it does the magic for us. We still haven't added the hitbox yet. But yeah, cool stuff. I feel so accomplished. I don't even want to do anything now. I'm just like, oh. We can just call it quits. We can call it quits here. We can retire. But I might do some more stuff. So, let me think about this. We could start adding the auto tile. So we could do the, right now we made a custom, well, we didn't really make a custom script, but what we could do with the tool script here, with our room script, we can just make it more, like add more stuff. So right now we have the reset, we have the save every room, which is pretty cool, but we might want to add like a, I don't know, the run border tile map. I think that's a good one. Func run border tile map. Run border. What should I call it? Border fix. This is really everything. It's like just aesthetics. Polish. I'll just call it polish rooms. Imagine just clicking a button and every room just gets polished. It's crazy. I feel like there are probably so many tools. Or I imagine if you're, you know, a seasoned game dev, you probably create a bunch of tools that make your life easier. I mean, that's what an engine is, right? Like, in a nutshell. And usually, I think usually people just stick with their engine, like the tools provided by the engine. I don't think too many people make, or I mean, I haven't seen too many people do it, so it's kind of exciting for me to implement things that make my life easier further down the line, especially when we have like so many rooms in our game. So yeah, let's do this. What do we want to do for so I guess I keep adding like a bool like for checking if we want to actually run the script. It's just because like I don't know why, like when you save something, even though it's initially set to false, for some reason they get set to true right away. So I have to like add this as like a safety measure. It is what it is. So let's do this. We'll do it. We'll say export bool var polish. I should like do like polish rooms check or something, you know, check polish. You know, I'll call it check polish rooms. Check polish rooms. It's equal to false. We're also gonna have to I'll just duplicate this. I'll call it polish rooms. Okay. Done art for your bouncing boy? If you have any videos or something, send it over. Okay. Polish rooms equals false. Set polish rooms function input bool. It's the green guy. The green guy. Oh, I remember. I remember now. All right. Polish rooms. Okay. So yeah, if check polish rooms, we want to run that. You know, for room. Oh shit. For room in get children. You know, we're always gonna have this node, but yeah, if also I'm curious. I'm gonna print this out right now. If room or no, if room dot get node or null. What is it called? Auto child 2, I believe, is what I auto child 2. You know, whatever happened to auto child 1? I have no idea where auto child 1 is. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. So if get node or null, let's just print this. So I think this will work. Yes. Print yes, if this works. Check polish room. Let's uncheck all of this. Check polish room. Boom. Yes. Cool. That's all I wanted to check. So it returns. We could say. I'm trying to think. I guess it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna say. We'll just do it again. Room.getNode. if get node this dot room. Oh, we would say get node dot polish rooms or whatever we call it. What's the script called? Let me see. Run border tile map. We'd have to run, and we don't run anything else. Run border tile map. Run border. Why is it not? Run border. It's called add border tile map. Add border tile map. Is editor hint. We would just say add border tile map. We don't actually have to say true or false, but we do have to say true or false. But it doesn't matter which one. True. And that's it. So, and then yeah, it just does its thing, and well, let's see if it works. It would be hard to tell if it works, cause wait, let's try to find a room that doesn't have spikes in it. This one looks like it doesn't. Moment of truth. Polish rooms. Check polish rooms is set to true. Wait, did I set it to true by default? I make sure. Okay, yeah, it's false. So we set check polish, and then we say polish rooms. It did do this, but it didn't do the. Oh, it did. It is there. Okay, let me. I guess. Well, now it'll officially work for everything. Let me see. Can't tell because we don't have like a seed that we run on this, so like it's always the same thing. We can randomize it, I guess. We can do that right now. We can even include a seed here and then have everything run based on the seed that we run in the game, or the seed that we run here. But it's like doesn't really matter. Let's see. We'll know at least that it's in every single, like actually it'll spawn here too. I never ran it here, so we know it works. And I never did it in the first room, so if it spawned, yeah, it spawned here, so we know it works. So I can technically, let's run it one more time. You can see it kind of lags our game because we are running a lot. We're doing a lot through every single tile, and it wasn't, I would say it's not efficiently written because it doesn't really have to be. But yeah, save for sure, and save rooms, and is parent of P node is set to true, returned false. Condition is parent of. What is this? Never seen this one before. Why is it giving us this now? Scene main node CPP 204 condition is parent of P node is true, returned false. I don't know what this is. Scene / main. Maybe because we had the auto tile. No, it's still running. And it runs for, it seems like it happens everywhere. Guess we'll look this up. Not is a parent. Godot not is a parent of P node is true, returned. It seemed like it did the thing though, like, well, I mean, yeah, it seemed like it did what it had to do, or what I wanted to do. Let me see. It's probably good to look up what that, I mean, what the hell is this? Oh no. That's not good. you know what it is? We're creating new nodes. I forgot about this. So what we do have to do in our save, I think I know why this is happening. In the scene here, I actually wrote this. We don't set an owner. We're creating new scenes when we run that script. We're deleting the old ones and creating a new one. So technically there is a new scene being added. Originally we would just edit. Maybe I should have, in hindsight, maybe I should have kept the scene and created a new one, but it's too late now. So what we're gonna do instead is we have to iterate through all of our children and yeah, just make sure that we save them. Is there a way to do it recursively? Usually, so far, I think every one of our children it's only like, it's usually, okay, so you have a parent node, then a node, and then let's say another node, and then at max it's always like one child node. It's never like multiple children nodes. And I don't think we need to save like let's say room switcher, we don't need to save like all of these children nodes either. It's only what's in them. I would assume it's only what's there, but I actually don't know. And I thought we did try this. No, what we tried was we added it as a new scene. Okay, yeah. Alright, so yeah, I mean, it wouldn't be right now, it wouldn't be harmful if we just grabbed every children node and then saved its children if it had any children. But it could potentially be harmful in the future. I don't know, maybe. Not harmful, but like we'll find a bug and I'll be like, oh, what the hell's going on? And it'll take me like an hour to figure it out or something. I don't know. Alright, so let's just throw it in here. So I forgot what we did. I think we just ran a loop, but let me go into our editor. And we just say for node in node. We set the room owner as this. Okay. So for node in input room. Oh my god. Input room dot get children. Node dot set owner input room. And then for node 1 in node dot get children, we say set owner input room. But yeah, we could do this. I'm trying to think, because you can technically go, yeah, you can do this recursively, but I wonder if this like could screw up the game somehow. So maybe we will try this. Let's make sure, wait, before we do anything, let me just make sure everything's turned off. Okay, there we go. So node, oops. Okay, so for node, we do all of this, and let's go into chapter 4, test, and let's run the script. So the polish room script. Why is this by default set to true? Should be set to true. Okay. So we say, check polish. Polish rooms. It does some stuff. It did the thing. And then we run save for sure and save rooms, and seemed to have worked. Wait, but why is it not print? We must have commented saving the rooms out. I think it was actually good to keep that there. Okay. Let's try that again. check polish, save room. So, wait, is this room 139? No. So it seemed like it went back to the original. Let me just make sure. Double check spikes. Here, we'll do this. We'll say 3, double check spikes, reset spikes. So now we have these as our spikes. Looks weird, but and we're gonna run polish rooms as well, and then we're gonna save our room. We also need to make sure we close any chapter that doesn't have it. Okay. Close everything. And now if I open up this room, we have this and our spikes. You see? We have this. We have nothing on the oh, we do have one right there. But yeah, it seemed to have worked. And we didn't get any errors. We do have tile set doesn't have tile with -1, but that's not a problem. And yeah, and okay. Looks like it's good. Let's go back and I'll keep this the way it is actually, just so we can test it out in chapter 4 now. So let's open up chapter 4. One of these rooms should look weird, right? Or 2 of them should look weird, I guess. Okay, yeah, 2 of them look weird. We'll go here. We'll say first we're going to say reset our spikes. Or sorry, check. Say double check spikes, reset spikes. All of them seem to have been saved. Check for polish rooms, and then we're gonna polish our rooms. And everything bugs out for a split second, but we don't get any errors. And we save for sure. Save our room. Everything, no errors. Let's uncheck everything here. Save it one last time. Run the main scene. Moment of truth. Everything looks good. Okay, so there's only one technically there's one potential problem with this, and that's if we start adding so far I've never done this where like we have multiple children nodes in our game that would need to have an owner. And yeah, the only thing that we did change the only thing that we changed in the script is those files. So technically nothing would technically the only thing that we would need to save or set the new owner of is those new like transition tiles and stuff like that. And the like these nodes, the transition tiles and the border pieces. We did everything for the sake for the hell of it, I guess. But we didn't have to. We could literally just do just the spikes. And yeah, we could have just ran that there, but yeah, it's fine the way it is. We'll always get an error, worst case scenario. But yeah, cool. I feel like we've done so much today. I feel so productive. Okay. I don't even want to do anything else. I originally had to paint these rooms and update it, and I'm like, oh, we just, some of these need to be fixed. So what we did with our new script is we actually replaced, like, yeah, you can see like our original tile map didn't have much going for it. Original spike tile map didn't have much going for it. So like, yeah, it was pretty, like we would have to just draw some more here. And technically, I would save this for. I should. I mean, I should have. I do have to do this eventually for everything, but I think we can celebrate just a bit. Also, even though this looks better than the original, or what we had before, I still think it could be improved in some way. I don't think it's perfect yet. I think we can add some more, variation, or maybe just make it look more like crystals. But it looks good. And I think we can put this in chapter 2. I think this will look really good in chapter 2. And in all the other chapters too. Yeah. Do. Alrighty. I think we're gonna call it there. I'm actually so happy. I was talking about the other day. I was saying, oh, we should end the day on problems, and I think we ended the day. I think we ended yesterday on a problem, or last stream on a problem, and today it's kind of better. So maybe next stream will be worse because of that. But then the next stream will be good. So yeah, give and take, I guess. We got Red Cabin, we got Maui Games, we got Proton, we got Kuviman, we got Albibo. Let's go. I'll go for should I go for Red Cabin, or we could go for someone new. I want to raid more new people. Hey, wait, what? That looks like my asset right there. Looks like he's using the same asset as me. Let me see. Maybe not. Maybe I'm just.
You can learn a lot from people less experienced the sim about the video game, of course.
Rust roguelike, no bevy, no ECS. ZZ mode, game dev toxic forest. We can go for someone smaller. We stand guys with big arms. Full stack developer's journey. Who's this? Are they using Godot? Looks like Godot. Oh, they're in Japanese though. Ichikuo. No, it's not Godot.
なんかやっぱり分かってる人と分かってない人の差がすごい激しいゲームだと思うからまあ分かったら
If I knew Japanese, this would be a cool stream to watch. But
で分かっ
payment thingy. Get big gameplay changes.
Ja, aber das musst du sogar.
Oh, this guy has so many views already.
Du musst dir nur diesen Barcode sagen.
Pirate game dev. So does this person. Why am I so indecisive with picking someone? It's only setting a good example. His profile picture looks like Joe Rogan. Jojo Bite. You know what? We're just just gonna go for Red Cabin.
Hi, we're Visible.
When in doubt.
Wireless company that makes things visible. Switch and get a one-line plan with unlimited data. Now just $20 a month for 3 months.
Alrighty, people.
Need a shared plan to save. One person, one line, one great rate.
Till next time, if anybody is interested in playing
Let's move some of these to under them.
Memori, it's right here. We'll see you. Peace.
Hey, Practical. Thank you for the raid. How's it going?